How to make a natural face mask. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to explain how to make a really simple and easy face mask that both men and women can use to give their face and skin a healthy lift. Now the face mask has three key ingredients, so to begin with we'll explain what they are and why they're beneficial, and then we'll provide the recipe to make the face mask in question. So our first key ingredient is avocado. Avocados are high in healthy fats, minerals, and are also an excellent source of vitamin E and C, both of which play a key role in the health and vitality of your skin. And the fats, compounds and vitamins that are found in avocados help speed skin repair and improve skin conditions such as acne and eczema, and avocado is a natural moisturiser. And avocados also contain compounds that can help protect your skin from sun damage and inflammation, and ultraviolet damage to your skin can cause wrinkles as well as other signs of aging and skin cancer. And avocados also have both antioxidant and antimicrobial properties which can help prevent spot breakout on the skin. And avocados are also a great source of biotin, which is part of the B complex vitamins, and biotin is known to help prevent dry skin when it's applied topically. And the second key ingredient is honey. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne, and honey also speeds up your skin cells' healing processes. Honey is also a humectant, so it helps your skin absorb and retain moisture, which stops it from drying out. And similar to avocado, honey is packed with natural antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, which help protect, repair and prevent skin damage. And the third key ingredient is coconut oil. And coconut oil contains nourishing fatty acids that can help hydrate and protect the skin, and these include linoleic acid or vitamin F, which helps skin retain moisture, and also lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties. How to make the face mask. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half a ripe avocado that's had the stone removed and has been peeled, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of water. And then mix the coconut oil, avocado, honey and water together and blend into a paste using a blender. Then warm your skin with a warm damp cloth for 20 seconds or so to help open up the pores of your skin. Then apply the mask to your face using your fingers or a brush, avoiding the eye area. And leave the mask on for around 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. And finally pat your face dry and apply moisturiser. So we hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being created shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.